Hello, good afternoon, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I'm going to be making a banana chocolate chip cake. So I basically have the ingredients. I have everything with me in my bowl. So I'll show you guys how I do. Okay, so I don't know how if y'all are gonna see me, but I'll show you what I'm doing. So let me pause and then we get started. So right now I'm gonna crack my egg. So this is my egg. Okay, crack my egg, and then we have to get 1 cup of milk. So let me pause. Even though this says 1 cup of milk, I do not know what the other cup is. So we're just gonna use this cup. I think it's like a whole milk like that. So this is like a whole milk. I don't want to make a mess. Let me throw the milk in there. Okay. Now we're going to get cooking oil. So we're gonna do the same with cooking oil. With about that much. Okay. And it says we need 3 bananas, so we need 3 bananas. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I dropped it, sorry. Okay, so we need 3 bananas. I guess we just break them in there. It's very ripe, so I don't know if y'all can see me doing it, but I never done this on camera showing you guys how I bake. So it says 3 bananas. Just gonna break them, and then we'll do the next ingredients. See, just break right in my hand. Okay, so 3 bananas. Okay, let me pause for first second. So I put the flour because it would be a little messy. Now we need sugar. And then we're gonna take some sugar. I don't know if I'm doing it good, guys, but let me know in the comments. Now we need baking soda. Oh, no, powder. It's really telling how much cup, but we're just gonna big amount of soda. Okay. And then we need soda now. Which soda you really need a lot when you're baking. Okay. Let me pause to say. And now we need salt. Okay. And now we need let me chocolate chips. So I bought this one. It's called Enjoy Life. So oh my gosh. Hold on. So I'm gonna throw enough chocolate chips in it. Okay. Not really good enough. Okay, so this is what it looks with right now. Now I'm going to mix it and then stir it with a cup and then mix it in a bowl and then put it in a tray and then start baking. So let me pause and then we'll let you know when I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm just stirring it up right now. This is how, you might not see my face, but that's okay. I'm just stirring it up now. first time showing you, making you guys see me bake this. So right now I'm just stirring it really good. Ooh. Okay, I think we're good. We mix it. We mix it in a bowl. Now we gotta get a cake tray. So I'm going to pause and then I'll show you how I put this in a cake tray. Okay, so right now I have my cake tray. The tip when you're baking, you want to make sure you put butter inside the cake tray because you don't want it to be in there and then when it bakes it gets stuck and then the bottom of it can get burned. So you want to make sure you put enough butter into it so it doesn't cause any issue with the cake and all that stuff. So there's enough butter all around. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how I put the cake in. Now I have the cake and I'm going to put it in. Like I said, it's my first time making a banana cake with chocolate chip. So bear with me. We'll see how this works. And clear out everything out of the bowl. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pause now. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put it inside the pan. Okay, so let me pause. Okay guys, so the temperature is 350 and it says 35 to 40 minutes, so maybe around 135, 140-ish, it should be ready. And then I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so this is what it's looking. It's starting to come up. I hope I do well because y'all, the last time I had some vlogs and the cakes, stuff that I was baking were not good. So I hope this one turned out good. I will let y'all know when it's ready around 135 to 140. So honestly, it's starting to turn brown. It smells really good, but I'm praying that it turn out good. I'm just praying. Alright guys, so it's 1:23, so we gotta wait until 1:35-ish to take him out. It's getting there, but it's still not ready yet. Yeah. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys see. I was touching it to see if it's ready. It just needs a little bit more. So we'll give it about 6 minutes. Should be ready. Yeah. Alright guys, it's actually ready. It's 1:35 right now. So because it's so hot, I cannot eat it. So I'm gonna let this cool because there's no way I can eat this right now. I could eat it, but it's like it's too hot. So I'm gonna give it like an hour or so, maybe around 2-ish. I'll start eating it and then I'll let you know how it turns. I think this is better than what it's supposed to be. So let's just see. Okay guys, this is what the cake looks like right now. So let's try. It's not bad, but it needs more sugar. But you know what? 10 out of 10. Yeah. I didn't put enough sugar. But you know what? It's the best cake. Yeah, guys. The best cake. But I didn't put enough sugar. But. Yeah. I'm proud of myself, but I should put more sugar in. But it's okay. But other than that, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think. Would you make a cake like this? Or, you know, there's a lot of ways how to make banana cake. But I should have added more sugar. But still good. Yep. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys on my next upload. The lighting is so bad today. Like, alright, see you guys on the next one.